Hi, welcome to the video about our new feature called Item Segmentations. Item segmentations are Recombee's original and elegant solution to various advanced tasks related to recommendation of hierarchical and relational data. The feature provides a flexible way to group items, meaning products or pieces of content in your catalog, into segments based on shared conditions. Items can be segmented, for example, by authors, genres, vendors, or categories, but also by their combinations and advanced conditions such as year of production or price ranges. These segments can be recommended to users on any chosen part of a site or app and also appear in the full-text search results. Let's see how it works in two practical examples. Let's assume I run a video-on-demand portal and I want to show the users a box with the movie genres that they like the most based on their watching history. I already have the items catalog with various movies uploaded, and genres are among the specified properties. I want to segment the items based on this property. I start by navigating to the Segmentation section in the admin UI and creating a new item segmentation. There are multiple ways how a segmentation can be defined. I proceed with the simplest one, property-based segmentation, which groups the items by a single property. I pick the genres property and the preview shows me that several segments, such as drama, comedy, or horror, will be created. Now I want to use this genres segmentation for recommending the top genres to the users. I navigate to the Scenarios section and create a new scenario. I'll call it Top Genres for You and pick the proper type of recommendations. There are multiple types that return item segments. For our use case, the most suitable one is Recommend Item Segments to User, which returns the top segments from segmentation to the user. I will choose the genres segmentation that I created in the previous step. Now my scenario is created, and I can check the recommendations using the preview function. I will pick a user, and you can see that for this particular user, the most fitting genres are drama, thriller, and action. The integration section shows how the recommendations can be requested using various programming languages. And this is how it can look for the users. This was pretty easy, right? Let's continue with the second and slightly more advanced example of the personalized ordering of homepage rows. The homepage of a video-on-demand portal typically consists of several rows. Each row is dedicated to a theme, for example, movies from a specific genre, from a particular era, or movies shot in a particular country. I want to order all these possible rows so that each user has the rows matching their taste the most at the top. I will create a new segmentation and model the rows as its segments. For this use case, manual requel segmentation is the best matching type. Manual requel segmentation, as its name suggests, is based on requel. Requel, Recombee query language, is an easy-to-use query language that is used in multiple places within the Recombee ecosystem. In the case of the manual requel segmentation, you can use it to specify a filter for each segment. The segment then consists of all the items that pass the filter. For example, I can create a segment for the thriller movies row. The segment will be called Thrillers, and the corresponding requel filter is Thriller in Genres. You can see that 609 items passed the filter, and when I preview the matching items, I can see that all of them have thriller as one of their genres. Another row, called Short Laughs, can be composed of comedies with a runtime of under 30 minutes. I can add a row for French movies. And my last row in this example will showcase the movies from the 90s. The segment will be called 90s Are Back and will contain movies with a release date between the years 1990 and 1999. Besides the admin UI, the segments can be also managed via the API, so exporting the rows from your CMS can be automated. When you add all the rows as segments, you can again use the Recommend Item Segments to User endpoints to retrieve the best ordering of the rows for the particular user. I hope you like the 2 examples of how to use the item segmentations. Other use cases in the VOD domain can be, for example, recommending directors or actors to follow, recommending actors similar to an actor, or a full-text search of genres, directors, or actors. Of course, there are many use cases in other content domains, and in e-commerce too. If you have any questions, let us know at support@recombee.com. We are keen to see how you will use the segmentations to improve your product.